Let's take a look at the Condition 1 624 hard case. Patented latches make our cases easy to open and close. Rubberized handles offer a softer grip for added comfort. An air pressure release valve makes our cases ATA, TSA friendly for airline travel. Convenient lock holes add security. Rubber gaskets make our cases waterproof. Convoluted lid foam gives your items extra padding. Customizable foam allows you to create a custom fit around your items. This is a great case for photography equipment, electronics, tools, or a variety of projects. The cases are easily stacked and offer a modern design. Condition 1 cases are available in up to 5 standard colors and are made in the USA.